Second, as an honorary member of the media, please stop tweeting, especially early in the morning, so we have to write about it all day long, because that's a lot of material for us to have on our show. Some days we come up with too many...
Hey, Jojo, did you hear that?
Yeah. I think I heard someone say, "Hey, Jojo," and then something else.
Try to focus, Jojo. The guy on TV just said that the president can't stop tweeting. Do you know what that means? The president of the United States is a bird.
No way.
Yes, way. And you know, these presidents pass a lot of laws. I'll bet that pretty soon no red-blooded American cat will be allowed to hunt birds anymore.
That's not fair. Cats have rights in America.
You know, I just thought of something. Remember when the king and queen imprisoned us in a car, and we drove and drove until the dollar went way, way down, and the gas prices went way, way up, and then it started snowing, and it snowed every day for a year?
Yeah. And then when we finally got home, everything looked completely different.
No, Jojo. I think we moved. I think we moved to Canada.
I hear Canada is really safe. We should be able to go outside here. Cats have rights in Canada.
That's right. We shouldn't be stuck in this little house when it's such a big, big world out there. Check out those big trees.
Check out those big birds.
Check out those big mountains.
And check out those big dogs. Is Canada's president a bird too?
No, I heard the Queen say that he's a fox. Hey, Jojo, how do you make a Canadian apologize?
I don't know. How?
Step on his foot.